Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.
The nut right back here where my finger is came loose out of there, or it broke. It broke. So I need a needle nose and I gotta glue that in. Actually, it's good there. Now I just glue it in place. It's almost dry. Sometimes when you push in your power jack for your laptop, you have issues and it falls all the way inside. If that happens, you might have to glue it and then brace it. So as soon as this dries, the jack won't move. Thanks, AT&T SIM card. Look at that, it's staying. Perfect, I gotta leave it alone now. Laptop DC power jack got you all sad because it keeps falling inside your case. Well, when you go to plug it in and it falls in, you're gonna have to take your computer apart. And I used an iPhone SIM card and I glued it on top of the DC jack just to get it to stay in place, and it's fine. It's glued and it's not going to move now. So that's what you do when you're in an emergency and you want it fixed, and a new part's not going to fix it actually, because the shell of the laptop is what's bad. So this just use super glue and don't glue your fingers together. It'll be good. Thanks for watching.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.